I'll do a pneumatic test. Now the car is lifted. I have to remove the AirMatic compressor. It's located behind this grill. I'll try to remove it without complete removal of this mudguard. I have to drop this thing and only this part. The center mudguard is removed, and this thing here is removed too, just the clips. And this is the AirMatic compressor that I have to remove. The problem with this thing is that sometimes it cannot make enough pressure. There is a repair kit for it. It contains the cylinder head and the piston seals and a few more seals. Very important thing is to check this hose condition, to replace this filter here, and to check the condition of this upper hose here. If some of these hoses are, this one or this one up here is cracked, they have to be replaced to ensure the proper compressor operation. To remove the AirMatic compressor, I have to remove this pipe, this connector here, and the upper connector here. I have to disconnect the pressure line, this thing, and to unscrew this bolt here, and one on the back. This is the compressor of the AirMatic. This is the repair kit. It contains the piston seal, 2 extra seals, 2 new bolts, and a valve. And this thing, this is the cylinder head. Let's inspect what's going on in the compressor. The bolts rusted. This is the front one. Here are the dryer bulbs. Do not disassemble this thing. Actually, I feel that it's slightly scored. You can see the damages. The scoring marks are a little, according to my finger. It's a good idea to replace this thing. This is the piston. It looks like it's completely worn out. The ring actually. The piston is okay. This thing here looks okay. Now I have to clean this thing here, replace the seal, install the new cylinder head. I have to remove this thing. There is a valve here. The valve is very worn out. I have to clean this. The new valve. I'm going to use a small amount of lube. I have to clean this and put some lube here. It's time to install the new seal of the piston. This pin here prevents the ring from rotating. It has to be installed with this, like this. You can see that it is much more opened. I advise you to use a Scotch-Brite and clean this surface here from all the oxidations. It's important because the flat surface of the cylinder head has to sit here, and if there are some imperfections, it may not sit properly. I'm using a compressor to clean these insides. Now I'm putting some amount of silicone grease on my finger. It's very low amount. To lubricate this thing for piston installation and to coat this surface to prevent it from oxidation. It's important, the layer of lubricant has to be very thin. You have to squeeze the piston seal and to put it inside the cylinder. You have to be sure that it's inside before closing the compressor. I'm going to use the new bolts and I'll coat them in some lubricant to decrease the rusting. I have to clean my hand. If you have enough powerful 12-volt power source, it's a good idea to check is the compressor working. It should be okay. Now we have to install the compressor and mounting hardware. Now the compressor is mounted on just one stud. Now I have to tighten the pressure line. I have to be very careful because the thread in the compressor is made of plastic, but the pressure line has a brass nut. I'm going to apply some silicone spray on the connectors to fit them easily. Now I'm using Mercedes Star diagnostic tool to check the compressor. I'll do a pneumatic test. The system functions properly. According to my experience, the real test is with engine shut off, not with engine running on this test. If it passes with engine not running, the compressor is working okay. If not, you have a problem with the compressor.